ask the next question in a scientific endeavor, they have a resource of experiences to move forward, interests and passion, build self-esteem, and allow those students to pursue the harder courses, the concepts that they're very interested in learning more about.
For me, it's a fun way to introduce the creative mind to kids.
It's better than any science youth camp I've ever been to.
Cool, it's the best one?
Yep.
So Nittany Bots Lego Mindstormers Camp is one of many Science U camps that uses an informal learning environment to work on critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, and teamwork in youth.
So the software is called We Do, and it's through Lego Education. So it's actually these special kits that Lego makes specifically for classroom settings that let the kids kind of experiment and learn how to play around with computer programming and robotics and that kind of stuff.
They use drag and drop programming, which gives them a palette to write their program on. It's just a white space. And then all the commands they can use are across the bottom of the screen, and they can drag the commands they want onto the palette in the sequence that they want for them to happen, and then run that program, and it'll play exactly like they wrote it.
I have to build a drumming monkey, so it has little arms that go up and down, and that's because we use crayons to convert the turning motion of the gears into an up and down motion. The gears work by pedaling less, so you can turn the wheel more times. So when you use a big gear in the front and a small gear in the back, the small gear won't have to go as far to turn the wheel. In the big gear, you won't have to pedal all the way around to turn the gear in the back. And this is the opposite for when you do it opposite ways, and it will also break the bike because it will be bended too far.
So what is your robot going to use the gears for?
So we're going to change the gears when they are where they are to make it go faster when it spins.
So Lieutenant Matthew White joined us today from the University Police to show us the university's bomb robot. And for us, that meant a great way to see that what we're doing with robotics plays into things that we use in real life and are very important to our own safety.
My name is Matt White. I'm a lieutenant with Penn State University Police, and I run our bomb squad. I got involved with the Science U camps because Ray Regan had asked me to come in and talk about our robots, or the robot that we use on the bomb squad. It's a practical application of what the kids are learning about and what robots do and how they function. In law enforcement and public safety, we're big users of unmanned vehicles now and robotic platforms now, and have been for years. So we're kind of a good example of where things are going to go in the future as these kids get older and there's more robots and unmanned vehicles out and about. We're users of them now, and they get to see how they're in use now. Hoping that they see how robots are used by law enforcement and how robots can be used to keep people out of harm's way, keep them safe in dangerous situations.
We really hope that campers come in with a sense of curiosity and they're able to get their hands on materials and devices and chemistry and science and Legos, and in that way the brain directly connects to that kinesthetic learning pattern, and they come off with what we like to call unforgettable learning experiences. And that means that it's something ingrained in in their knowledge base, so that when they ask the next question in a scientific endeavor, they have a resource of experiences to move forward with in their school years.
The kids in my group for this week, when they came in, they were pretty decent problem solvers, but as the camp progresses and we give them challenges and stuff, you can really tell how they improve in their problem solving skills throughout the week, and they're already improving, and it's only day 2.